Welcome everybody, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set the key wipeout timer parameter on the Sentry wireless access keypad version 4 in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Type in your master code. You hear the unit produce a sound and the LED turns green. Step 2. Select the wipeout directory, which is 4*. You see the unit turn to a red LED. Step 3. Type in the wipeout time in seconds you wish to use. The double beep signifies that the changes have taken effect in the unit. You may now exit the unit to go into default operational mode. There you have it. The wipeout timer is a simple parameter whereby if you are inputting a code and the time elapsed between keystrokes is too large, it will cancel and make your entry null and void. This is the security feature of the product. Thank you for watching this video.